In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent the second line only in Microsoft Word. If you want to indent only the second line of a paragraph in Microsoft Word, you can do this using the paragraph indentation settings. This is useful when you want the first line to stay in its original position, while the lines that follow are moved slightly to the right. First, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the paragraph that you want to format. Select the paragraph or the text where you want to apply the indentation. Once the text is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Now look for the Paragraph section and click the small arrow in the bottom corner to open the Paragraph dialog box. In the Paragraph dialog box, look for the Indentation section. Find the Special option and open the drop-down menu. From the available options, select Hanging. A hanging indent moves the first line to the left, while the following lines are indented to the right. Next, set the amount of indentation you want to use. You can adjust the value according to how far you want the second line and the following lines to move. Once you have selected the hanging option and adjusted the indentation, click OK to apply the formatting. You will now see that the first line remains in its original position, while the second line and any additional lines in the same paragraph are moved inward. This is useful when you want to create a specific paragraph layout without manually pressing the spacebar at the beginning of each line. Using the paragraph settings also keeps the formatting consistent throughout your document. If your paragraph contains only 2 lines, the effect will look like only the second line is indented. If the paragraph continues onto additional lines, those lines will also follow the hanging indentation. You can apply the same formatting to other paragraphs by selecting them and using the same paragraph settings. This can save time when you need the same layout in multiple parts of your document. Remember that the important setting here is hanging under the special indentation option. This keeps the first line separate from the lines that follow it. And that's how you can indent the second line only in Microsoft Word using the paragraph indentation settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,